There's this idea that if you want to remember something really well, you have to repeat it over and over again until it's kind of like hammered into your brain. But what if I told you that might not actually be the best way to remember things? What if there was a better way? Neuroscience is helping us understand how we can remember things better just by changing the way we think about them. And it turns out that you don't have to memorize things in the traditional sense at all. You can kind of trick your brain into remembering things by reactivating the patterns of your brain's neural connections. When you think about something, you're actually activating a unique pattern of neurons. And those activated neurons are kind of like a physical representation of that thought. So when you want to remember something, instead of trying to force it into your brain, you can try to recreate the neural pattern that represents that thought. So here's how it works. First, you need to get the brain's attention. This can be done with a little focus and some deep breathing. Next, visualize the thing you want to remember. See. Our brains process what we see and where we are right now as one cohesive whole. So if you can combine the new information you want to remember with a vivid visualization of your surroundings, you can create a strong memory. So let's say you want to remember to pick up milk on your way home from work. Instead of just thinking, oh, I gotta get milk, take a moment to visualize yourself at the store picking up milk. Picture the carton in your hand, see the expiration date, and maybe even smell that fresh milk. By combining this visual imagery with your other senses, you're creating a much more memorable experience. And finally, once you've visualized the scene, take a few deep breaths and really focus on the image in your mind's eye. This helps to solidify the neural connections related to that memory. Now, this technique isn't going to make you superhuman when it comes to memory. It's not like you're going to be able to remember everything you see or read, but it can help you remember important things like where you put your keys or what you need to pick up at the store. And because it uses visualization and sensory detail, it can also be a lot more fun than just rote memorization.